Moolamylliang Christmas Light Extravaganza 2023 was inaugurated on Monday at Moolamylliang Village, East Giant Hills District by Dr. W.R. Karuki Rajya Sabha MP Meghalaya in the presence of Sutunga Saipung legislator Santa Mary Shilla and other dignitaries. These lights, along with other decorative lightings, will be illuminated every evening from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight till 3rd January. Moreover, to attract the music lovers, a Christmas concert will also be organized on the evening of December 22nd, and on 23rd December, a music night will be organized featuring Ilad Mitre Dakar and DJ Wanshan.
Wachwa wakut keton uyo kamu ang MLA yang pi wa kani ke senong ukila hejo ikor kamu da adore pi nei pha wacha le ben yu to PMPP nga thrai kani to kamu ang kang santa uman ke NPP village.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature